Pero nakita ko kanina, train station yung set mo eh.
Okay, train station yun, Reyna. Train station yun.
Another train station. The other one.
Yun yung sana, doon kami CR sana. Yun na daddy, kaso lang.
Pero that is a train station also?
Train station.
Pero this one, this is the correct na.
Yeah, yan yung
This
one, ano lang, one right.
It's farther
Oh.
away from that. Ito ata yung kung saan tayo bumaba din, Hana, di ba?
Ibig sabihin ito, another station siya.
Na-connecting na Dutch.
To this one is one station lang tayo. Okay.
One train.
One train lang.
No, when you rode that the same destination kanina train station kahapon, we had to transfer to another station for
Tapos silang ilan.
Duolingo mo.
Wala ka bang translator sa app mo? Ito, malapit na tayo. Parang bumalik man tayo, hindi.
Wala yun.
Kabilang side ng bridge na tayo. Ayun yung
These were making from last time.
Oo nga no? Oo. Dito tayo.
Domo.
Okay.
Kumenasay.
We just drop off here. So we paid additional 700 yen, no? Nagkamali kami ng pin sa other station yan. So we're entering here. Ilan pala yun? Change lang, 700 yen. Laki pala. Okay. Okay. Pasok kami sa loob. One more. Okay.
Kawin.
At least, gano'n pala yun. Change na.
2階改札通路
Per
間で
second. Okay. Going
ドア
out.
が開きます。下に参ります。
We're in the Arashima station. Dito kami. So we're inside. Kuha na. Pass mo na, gamitin. Pass mo card.
Yep.
Ha? Pasok kami. Here. Pasok kayo. Bakit ano nangyari, kuya? Ano nangyari?
May visa sa floor na card. Bigay ko lang sa lost and found.
Nahulog.
Ah.
Oh.